Seunghyuk, Kang and Sunyoung Park founded the South Korean shop in 2003 as Southfoot, a standalone online marketplace dedicated to providing local customers with difficult-to-find Western products. As time went on, the business changed its name to Worksout and began assembling a collection of well-known streetwear labels like Carhartt WIP, Wacko Maria, and Palace. Since Nike shoes were a prominent part of the original Southfoot collection, the business is commemorating a milestone with the latest Worksout X Air Max 95 partnership. The partnership's full history has not yet been made public, although early images of the Air Max 95 with a military theme have been shared by Romania's sneaker market on X with its bespoke Worksout branding on the tongue. The sneaker has big swooshes and a subdued olive upper. Its design also has a black sole with Nike's famous big bubble cushioning at the heel, as well as layered overlays. Despite the lack of a specific release date, it's uncertain if Nike.com will be the platform for a wider rollout of this collaboration.